Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide photo or video on iPhone iOS 26. So simply at first time select photo that you wanna hide. So like select these three images to hide, press on select, okay, and just long press, then showing you to hide option, make sure and press on hide three photos. Okay, now successfully hide this photo. And how you can easily find your hidden photo, click on to collection and go to this option showing it to hidden option, just select and unlock, then showing it to your hidden photo. So that's it, that's how you can do it.